Morning, guys. So we're back out here. FRC Construction is back in the area of King City. This one is funny because the road is called King Richard, and then you got Queens Anne. So it's Kings and Queens in this area here. So we're back in this neighborhood. Brought in the machine here from Northwest Equipment and Rentals. And the nice thing with these guys is they can bring the machines over to the job sites. It costs a little bit more, but it's well worth it. That way you don't waste any time. Nice little machine excavator. We're gonna go about 5 feet. We're gonna extend the driveway area and here, and just keep going where I marked the line. 5 feet, extend, and we're approximately around 200 square feet, a little bit above that. So excavate all that, extend the driveway, and that's our pavers right there. Samples. Willamette Greystone pavers. That's what we got spec'd on the project. La troca para echar las hierbas. La troca, Pati. So we finally got to the my favorite part, which is installing the pavers. As you guys can see here, we're laying all our pavers. We really got finished with putting all the base down. Base is the most important, and then you lay your pavers on there. Usually we use a metal straight edge. If you guys can see there, the metal straight edge that we use, make it nice and straight. And then from the driveway, we're only going about 5 feet extension. So 5 feet extension from there. Typically, sometimes you can use a string line, but in this case, we use a straight edge. Gives us the same results on there. So both things work. You can use string line or a straight edge on here. So basically, you know, you get one of those specialty mallets. It's got a rubber side to it, and then it's got another harder side. So it's perfect for hitting the pavers on there. And that's what we're doing. So yeah, these mallets are pretty cool. Anybody who's installing a paver patio, I recommend getting those mallets. Super awesome on there. So get those mallets like you see right now on there. It's having a little bit of trouble putting in there, and then just hit it on there. Usually it falls into place. So, and what the pattern that we're installing is the master K pattern. That's a really common pattern to install. So as you guys can see, yeah, it's basically, that's another view of the pattern that we're installing. So it's the master K, some of our go-to. Actually, it's probably our favorite pattern to install. So yeah, just laying pavers. You see the straight edge in the back. Like I said, string line you can also use to make your line straight. Any straight edge. That's funny, we learned about straight edges in school, so and we're using it here. So yeah, that's our favorite part, honestly, with installing pavers. And we just love to do the paver installation. So you just saw here a little bit of glimpse. We're gonna be bringing in more content coming up, so keep watching on there, and we'll see you on the next one.